Welcome to the ANPS channel, students. Welcome to the ISSO Olympiad practice of social studies. Today I'm going to discuss the chapter 10 of that area, freedom struggle in India. So let's get started. Few questions I'm going to discuss from this area. Make sure you practice that questions in your home as well. So first question. Many political associations were formed in India after dash. Options 1750, 1800, 1850, 1900. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option C, 1850. Vernacular Press Act was passed in dash. Options are option A, 1870, option B, 1878, option C, 1883, option D, 1891. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option B, 1878. Next question. In 1883, there was a furor over the attempt by the government to introduce the dash. Options are Charter Act, Arms Act, Caste Reforms, Liberate Bill. So the correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option D, Liberate Bill. Next. The Indian National Congress was established when 72 delegates from all over the country met at dash in dash. Options are Calcutta, December 1880, Bombay, September 1890, Calcutta, September 1885, Bombay, December 1885. So the correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option D, Bombay, December 1885. Next question. Who wrote the book Poverty on British Rule in India? Options. This one question is already been repeated. Options are Dadabhai Naoroji, Firoz Shah Mehta, Bharuddin Tayabji, W.C. Bonerjee. So the particular correct one from this area I'm going to choose is Dadabhai Naoroji. Next. Congress in the first 20 years was dash. Options are moderate, extremist, harsh, and violent. So the correct options I'm going to choose from this area is moderate. Next. In the early period, Congress demanded dash. Options are reduction of revenue, cut in military expenditure, more funds for immigration, all of this. The correct options of this area is all of this. Select odd one out from the following leaders. Options Bipin Chandra Pal, next Bal Gangadhar Tilak, next Dadabhai Naoroji, next Lala Lajpat Rai. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option C, Dadabhai Naoroji. Next question is, who said freedom is my birthright and I shall have it? Options are Mahatma Gandhi, Dadabhai Naoroji, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Next question is, in dash Viceroy Curzon partitioned Bengal. Options are 1900, 1905, 1906, 1912. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option B. Next. He was a nationalist from Punjab who was one of the leading members of the radical group which was critical of the politics of petition. Who was he? Options are Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Mahatma Gandhi, Dadabhai Naoroji. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option A, Lala Lajpat Rai. Next question is number 12. All India Muslim League was formed at Decca in dash. Options are 1900, 1905, 1906, 1910. So the correct options from this particular area I'm going to choose is option C. Next. There was a split in the Congress in dash. Options 1900, 1907, 1915, 1920. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option B. Next, the Congress and the Muslim League signed the historic Lucknow Pact in dash. Options are 1905, 1910, 1915, 1916. The correct options I'm going to choose from number 14 segment is option D, 1916. Next, after 1919, the struggle against British rule gradually became a dash movement. Option mass, social, moderate, violent. The correct option from this area is option A, mass. Next, dash altered the economic and political situation in India. Options are First World War, next national movement, next Muslim League, next partition of Bengal. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is First World War. Next, Gandhiji arrived in India in dash from dash. The correct options I'm going to choose. The options are 1914 England, 1915 South Africa, 1916 England, 1916 South Africa. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option B. Next, in Ahmedabad, Gandhi led the successful mill workers' strike in dash. Options are 1916, 1917, 1918, 1919. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area is option C, 1918. Next, in 1919, Gandhiji gave a call for Satyagraha against dash. Options are Salt's Law, Arms Act, Rowlatt Act, none of this. The correct options I'm going to choose from the 19 is option C, Rowlatt Act. The next questions I'm going to discuss from here, the Jallianwala Bagh atrocities was inflicted by General Dyer in Amritsar on Baisakhi Day, which was on dash. Options are 9th April 1918, 11th April 1919, 13th April 1919, 23rd March 1920. The correct options from this area I'm going to choose is option C, 13 April 1919. Next is Achievers Horse sections, and this is a series based question again. Match the following and select the correct options. Column 1 have non-cooperation, Khalifat movement, forest satyagraha, Mahantas. And column 2 have Guntur 1921 to 22, Muhammad Ali, Sikh Gurudwaras. The correct pair matching series from this area I'm going to choose is option B. So Roman 2 1921 to 22 have option A, non-cooperation. Next is number 3, Roman 3, Muhammad Ali is related to the Khalifat movement. Next is Guntur, related to forest movement. Next is Sikh Gurudas, is related to the Mahantas. Next is read the following sentences and choose which one are true and which one is false. Options are Mahatma Gandhi was seen as a Masiha. Next, in February 1921, a crowd set fire to a police station in Chauri Chaura. Next, Congress demanded Purana Swaraj in 1925. Next, in 1930, Gandhiji declared that he would break the salt law. So the correct true-false series I'm going to choose from this area is option D. The Mahatma Gandhi was seen as a Masiha is true by the Indian people on that ruling time of Britishers. Next, in February 1921, a crowd set fire to a police station on Chauri Chaura, Gorakhpur. That is also particularly not the exact February. At the 22nd March, that is false. Next, in the Congress demanded Purana Swaraj in 1925. That is timeline is also false. Next, in 1913, Gandhiji declared the would break the salt law. That's why he created the Satyagraha. Yes, that is true. Next question I'm going to discuss, that is a map based questions. Look over here. Look the following map and identify the places of Congress session. Options: Calcutta 1906, Lucknow 1916, Nagpur 1920, Lahore 1921. Patna 1906, next Ghazipur 1916, next Bombay 1992, next Multan 1920, next Gaya 1922, next Banaras 1920, Next Surat 1907, next Karachi 1930, next Calcutta 1906, next Kanpur 1888, next Haripura 1938, next Amritsar 1990. So the correct options I'm going to choose from this area, number 23, is option A. This is the Calcutta. This is the Lucknow. Number 2. This is the Nagpur. This is the Lahore. And this is the particularly Nagpur. And the following years given in option A. Next, number 24. Fill in the blanks with the proper area's name as well as the selected word. The two of the most active revolutionary societies were the Roman I in Roman II and the Roman III in Roman IV. The correct options I'm going to choose from this area. From the correct option, the options are Anushilan Samiti, Maharashtra, Avinava Bharat Society, Bengal. Next, Gadar Party, Bengal, Avinava Bharat Society, Bengal. Next, Avinava Bharat Society, Maharashtra, Anushilan Samiti, Bengal. Next, Muslim League, Calcutta, Anushilan Samiti, Punjab. So the correct series from this area is option C. So the two of the most active revolutionary societies were the Avinava Bharat Society in Maharashtra and the Anushilan Samiti in Bengal. That is the correct one. Next, arrange the following events, national movements in a chronological order. Which one is first, and as per the order wise, which one is last? Options are Surat Split, Morlemento Reform, Montego Chelmsford Reforms, Dundee March. So the chronological order wise correct one is option D. First is Surat Split. Next is Morlemento Reforms. Next is Montego Chelmsford Reforms. And the last is Dundee March. That is all given in a very correct way. I'm going to repeat again the MCQ format. Students, make sure whenever you choose the correct answer, you have to darken inside, particularly the area, not the outside. Okay, be very careful and follow the proper instructions. Hope you enjoyed this video. In the very next video, I will discuss a new chapter. Till then, take care. See you soon. Thank you.